got some snacks, we got some decorations.
Ready to go!
Hey, matches my hat.
So we are carving pumpkins!
Stunning.
I've done this once before.
I've also done this once before.
We actually did it together.
It was actually at my house.
Cool.
Okay, I'm glad we got that out of the way.
From what I recall, I was not very good at it.
I actually don't remember the experience at all, which I think is really
Telling.
weird. I actually don't remember the experience at all.
No, neither do I.
Isn't it weird? We were talking about this morning, and we were both like, we know we carved the pumpkins, we remember taking the goop out, and then past
From that
that,
point onwards, nothing.
erased.
Spooky.
So, I was just going to say that, I don't know if you guys are aware, but in Australia, we don't actually get, these aren't normal pumpkins for us.
We don't get these in like our grocery stores.
Yeah. This looks like the pumpkin emoji. Like, to me, it looks like a cartoon. This isn't what a pumpkin is to me.
It doesn't look real. We get gourds.
Gourds.
Gourd.
We'll put a little photo of it here.
Gourds.
Gourd.
That's a gourd.
Pumpkin.
Gourd. Pumpkin. Gourd. Kind of like. Tiasha said that they taste sweeter.
I assume, because you guys make pumpkin pie, right? Which is a dessert. And that's out of this, right?
Yeah. People say that we don't get Halloween here in Australia. I disagree. I think we get it to a certain extent. It's definitely growing. I was trick-or-treating when I was little with my friends.
Me too. I did it every single
I did
year.
it every year, I would go around house to house.
Me and my brother went trick-or-treating in our little suburb where Pretty Pastel Please also grew up, actually. We grew up down the road from each other. But we knocked on the door and we were like, trick or treat, and we held out our bag of like goodies to put for her to put stuff in, and she was like, oh, what are you selling? And then picked out like some goodies out of our bag and gave us money for them, and we were like, that's actually fine. That's a fine exchange, man.
You got
and we just sold candy to this lady. But yeah, so look, October, a spooky time of year.
I'm spooked. I feel spooked. There's a spook in the air.
Yeah, there's a chill.
But I thought I'd bring out my festive jumper that I got a few years ago. It doesn't see the light of day much, so it's kind of gross.
That's what we're talking about, right? The chill in the air is so chilly that Millie's wearing a sweater.
Ooh.
She's feeling that spooky chill.
I'm feeling the chill.
She's getting that haunt on.
Help me, I got hot sweats.
So I was thinking, before we get started, you tell me like the spookiest thing that's ever happened to you.
Something has happened.
Okay, go.
Like, we lived in a really creaky house growing up. It was like a terrace house, and it was just super old, and we thought it was haunted. And nothing really ever happened to me. I would hear like bumps in the night because we had an attic where my brother slept.
Okay.
Which is in itself. But my mum said the one time she was home alone, completely home alone, and she knew she was home alone, and she started singing in the shower, and she heard someone go, shh. And I found that so scary. But like, the ghost had had enough. He was like, all scary stories can be made funny.
I agree.
Ghosts are funny at the core essential.
Yeah.
A person that just refuses to move on is so funny.
It is funny.
Let us know your spookiest story down in the...
Please.
Are you speaking in tongues? Yeah, let's get carving.
Let's start doing things.
Let's slap a bump.
Look, we're not even going to follow a tutorial. I
We don't have a tutorial.
Yeah.
Ready to go. We're just gonna
wing it. So I say step 1, draw what you want.
Oh yeah.
Step 2,
yeah.
cut around here, take it off and scoop out the insides. Step 3, cut along what It seems simple.
Let's do it. Let's start.
Ooh. Okay guys, so I have one really dented side of my pumpkin.
Me too!
I like him like that. I wonder why they like that actually, if they're both like that. Okay, I'm gonna use your fun side.
I want to do a happy face.
I'm gonna do like a toothy happy face, I think.
I'm gonna do a straight, like not happy, not sad face.
Like an unimpressed face.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's not gonna look like a straight across face, is it? Is it?
It's gonna look like a robot.
I like that. I'm gonna make a robot.
Like a robot.
No, I don't want a robot anymore. Do you know what mine's gonna look like?
What?
The annoying orange.
Oh my god, stop.
I'm gonna do the annoying orange.
You know how I feel about the annoying orange. Wow, I think I'm already done.
Me too.
Yay!
Okay, so I am super scared because I'm really bad with sharp objects. I'm just not. I'm really clumsy. I'm actually gonna sit up for this because I'm scared of myself.
Oh my god, okay, what the fudge? How do people do this?
The clickbait can be like, Millie goes to hospital, but like, I actually do. I don't know if I can do this.
Dude, I don't know if I can do this either. Okay, I think I've reached the center. God! Okay, are we doing something wrong?
Are we doing this wrong? Or pumpkin's just really hard to I'm not having a pumpkin.
No, neither. This is not fun.
I'm sure you guys carve pumpkins at home, but if you do, you know, maybe do it safer than we are.
Yeah, don't. This isn't
how you do it, I don't think.
Look, Millie, maybe I'll leave mine like this. It's kind of Halloween-y.
No, please don't.
Okay, guys, so a brief amount of time has passed and we've just been trying to get these guys out.
I've succeeded!
And I'm close. Mine feels stuck, but I've definitely covered.
Ah! Gross.
That looks amazing.
Yeah.
Millie's is full of goop, whereas my pumpkin, plus sized and empty, like me. I think you're supposed to carve it inside so it gets thinner. Do you reckon?
Yeah. I'm like out of breath.
Millie, you gotta stop going to the gym, hun.
No.
Ew! You guys eat this? You all eat it? Oh my god, it's so easy once you're inside.
That's what she's.
Damn!
Good lord.
Oh, this is the spookiest part of Halloween.
The truly scary part is my lack of body strength.
This can't be fun for you guys to watch. It's a spacious cabin.
It is a spacious cabin.
That's what she said.
I don't know about that. If you're a ghost, what would you do?
Oh my god.
Would you hold?
Dude! I literally think about this all the time.
I would be one of those really generous, nice ghosts that like helps out my friends and family, but also scorns that people are moving on without me. I go to my own funeral, number one.
The type of ghost I would be is like a narcissistic, self-aware, like the first thing I would do is watch like how long my boyfriend cries for, and then like be super sad and obviously break your heart, but also just be kind of like do you know what I mean?
No, but yeah, me.
What is your favorite horror movie?
My favorite movie is It Follows. It is so scary and so good, and it's not like gore. It's about like, I don't want to spoil anything, but just, I'm so scared of the idea of someone like following me. And as the name suggests, it's all about
the paranoia.
Paranoia of someone just random on the street and you walk around and they're still following.
My answer's pretty lame, but The Ring.
Oh no.
Just because that was one of the first horror movies I ever watched, ever. And you know what makes that movie amazing? The monster, like Samara, the girl, she's only in the movie physically for like 3 minutes max. The suspense and like everything, it's such a scary movie. And like every time your computer or your TV like buzzes out now, don't you just get like a little, you're like,
As a monster is so scary when she crawls out of the TV.
No, thank you. No,
I'm getting freaked out.
Stop.
What is your biggest fear?
Ooh.
Big question.
It's probably bugs. Cockroaches, God, they disgust me and scare me. I hate them so much.
I don't mind bugs. Bugs are okay.
That's really
Bugs
cool.
are cool with me. Bugs are chill.
That's cool.
Bugs are fine.
What's your day-to-day fear then?
Day-to-day fear. I think running out of money all the time. And also, trying to find my way around the dark. And if I'm just walking through like, trying to find the darkness, I'm so scared there's something in there. Like, the idea of turning a light on something being there.
That's it, and our movies have conditioned us to be like terrifying. That's like some naked dude's just gonna be standing there.
Yeah, you have an naked idea.
Okay, so like, do you know, deep fears about life?
I mean, like the usual one of like, my friends dying, my family dying.
Yeah. Just my general fear, I think like long term is like the monotony of working. The biggest fear is that my life will become like sitting in an office, in a cubicle office, 9 to 5. I fear that so much. It scares me into like trying to do things and like live my life the best I can, which is a good outcome.
Yeah. So me and Tiasha, we like to dress up a lot.
Yeah, so much. I just think it's so enjoyable. Like people that don't dress up for theme parties and stuff really put me out.
Like on a t-shirt and jeans and they're like, yeah, we knew there was a theme.
We dress up a lot, like Millie's birthday, we were the Sailor Soldiers, Halloween, we dress up in saris, we guys watched RuPaul's Drag Race and no Katya, we went to Katya's show in little Hello Kitty outfits, like...
We love dressing up!
Okay guys!
This is the finished product.
Woo!
Okay.
I love the crown you made.
Thank you. So basically to finish it off, I just carved out his little eyes, his little eyebrows, his fleeky brows, and then I pinned some of these guys in that I got from Daiso, these little fluff balls, and made a little flower crown, a little puff crown.
He looks adorable.
Thank you.
I just embezzled mine with a little bit of glitter glue. He's dripping. I went for a more classic Halloween face, so yeah, they look like best friends.
Yeah. Us.
Love it.
Anyway, that was actually quite fun. A lot of work.
pain.
It was a true test of like physical strength that I didn't think it would be.
Yeah.
And also mental strength, talking about our fears.
Agreed.
I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go have a shower and lie down.
Shh.